Hi YouTube, and a happy new year. So this is my Ktten E394 electric version that I will be converting to hydraulics, just like I did with my other Volvo EZ550 model, if you watched that build series. Now, on the bench here we have all the parts needed to convert this model into hydraulics, and the the orange parts, they are supposed to be steel, but I decided to 3D print them to make sure that all the steel parts fit on the 3D printed parts, because if you watched my previous build series, I messed up some of the steel parts for the main boom, and yeah, it's a expensive mistake to make. So this time I will be test fitting all the parts before I order the steel. I don't want to waste much more time on this testing phase, so I'm going to assemble all these parts off camera, and then I'll show you the parts assembled, and then I will order the steel parts, and then we will assemble the parts on camera. So yeah, I'm going to skip ahead now, and I'll see you soon. So all the parts are now assembled, and everything fit together very nicely, so this mock-up was a success. Now I'm going to go ahead and order the steel parts for this, and we can begin the real build and convert this excavator from electric to hydraulic. So first of all, the long reach, or the longest reach for these arms, are around 82 or 83 centimeters from the boom mount to the tip of the teeth with this bucket, which is pretty good. Now before I go to bed, it's actually 4:30 a.m. I'm going to show you the movements on the arms with the hydraulics. I'm actually very happy with how everything turned out. The movements on the arms are perfect. Have a look at this. So you just have to ignore the mess in the background. I haven't cleaned in this room for a while. And yeah, so this is the maximum movements of the bucket. Here we have it fully open, and this is fully closed. So we have a lot of movement on the bucket, and we can even adjust where we want the bucket to be, because you can swap out this link with a shorter one, which will open the bucket more. And yeah, so you can adjust it where you want. And then we have the stick, this small arm right here. This is the maximum it can move out, and this is inwards. So this also has quite a lot of movement, and we can curl the bucket in and get it like there. And then we have the main boom. Here it is fully down. I think it reaches underground like 41 centimeters or something, which will be enough. And you can raise the boom so that it has a 90-degree backbone, like that's the maximum lift. Now let's see here. Yeah. Yeah. I'm very happy with the movements on this, so. And I will say this again, all the orange parts on this mock-up is actually going to be steel in the future. So as you can see here, we will have steel on the inside and also on the outside, keeping the cylinders rigid and kind of safe. Also, the bucket is reinforced with steel on the inside wall, and also on the mounts. You can see them on the back side. The mounts will be steel, so this bucket will become indestructible with this setup. And we have steel on the inside of the stick all the way, and including the mounts for the cylinders. Same with the boom, we have two steel plates going parallel all the way down. And then we got two steel plates locking this cylinder in place right here. These are actually pushed down and then squashed together by this piece. And these screws are what is holding this assembly together. Well guys, that's it for this mock-up video of the hydraulic arms. Now it might take a couple of weeks to receive the steel parts. I ordered them from a local company, so I hope they're not too busy so they can, finish my order as quick as possible. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye!